So quick one. Right here we have our digital wall clock back in store and in two different shapes. This one portable, a bit smaller. Then this one portable and a bit bigger. So see their sizes, you can see it. You can see it. You can see the sizes. So what I'm about to show in this video is the most interesting parts about them. You can use it with electricity and you can use it without electricity, which is your power bank. So right here I have my power bank here and I have my extension plugged with USB head charger. So let's put it to test. So first of all, electricity is plugged on. You can see it is on. You can see it is on. It's on. Then to power bank. This is power bank. You can see it is still on. So you can use it with light or without light. No worries. You can see it. It's working perfectly well. So at the back of it, it has a space for a memory battery. What the memory battery does is this. You remove this thing to make the battery active. Then after setting the time for the first time, after setting it, you remove this thing. The battery will keep the time. It will keep the time to be correct. Anytime, any day till the battery goes down, you still change it. It has a watch battery, the bigger round one. I cannot open it to show you. Even if I do, you might not see it well. This as well. This has a memory battery, but finger battery. It's finger battery. Just two finger battery. Does the same thing. So let's put it to test as well. So electricity first. So this is the electricity. This is the electricity. You can see it's on. It's on.